Hey everyone, this is Michelle from the design team. Welcome back to the Love from Lizzie YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're going to be utilizing the Sunshine Rodeo card kit, and we're going to make 4 quick cards. Now, if you go over to my channel, you'll see that I show how to make these cards right here. Okay, so we make those on my channel, and the frame that I cut out means that I have all these frames to use on cards, which I won't be doing in this session, but the inside piece needs to be used on cards as well, and that's what I'm going to use in today's video. So to do that, I used the stitched label nested dies, and I took out 2 dies to make the border for those other cards, and then this inside piece I'm going to use on today's cards. Okay, so let's get started. One of the things I've been doing a lot lately is doing cards that are really similar to each other, because then I get several cards really quick. Okay, I also am using this Birthday Wishes die for my sentiment, which is right here. You can get that on the Love from Lizzie website. I cut it out of the matte gold cardstock that is an extra add-on for the kit, and then I did glue it onto some white cardstock to kind of make it stand out just a little bit. So what I have done is I have cut 4 pieces of the patterned paper, all at 4 by 5 1/4, and that's going to be our card panel for our A2 size card. So that's super simple, and the pattern paper is super cute in this kit. It also has like a Western theme, but it also has all these wonderful sunflowers. So I took those insides of the frames that I had already cut, and I stamped using fossilized amber distress oxide ink this wonderful sunflower, which is from the Sending Sunshine card kit. You can buy this stamp set and die set on the Love from Lizzie website. You don't have, I think the card kit is actually sold out now, but if you got that card kit, it had the cute little donkey and all the sunflowers, you have this in your stash, and it goes so well with the pattern paper that has a lot of sunflowers already on it. So we're just going to glue this. Now you could pop this up on foam squares. I'm going to leave mine flat because it's a little bit easier to mail when they're flatter. And then we're going to put our cute little cowgirl and then our sentiment. And like I said, we're going to make 4 cards, and they're all going to be similar because that just makes it go so quick, and you end up with 4 cards so easy. Okay, so we're just going to add some glue here on these little letters, just some dots here and there. Make sure there's enough glue to hold it in place, but we don't have to go crazy with it. And you can, oops, find a spot to grab it here. There we go. And then I'm just going to put that right across there. Okay, and look how cute that turned out. There is one card. And here's our next one. Look at that horse. I love the horse in the pattern paper. It is so pretty. So again, just the card panel, 4 by 5 1/4 for A2 size cards. And we have the green, which this green and the brown that I'm using, cardstock, came in your kit. Along with your ephemera, these cute girls. Oops. And I just got a little piece of that stuck here. Just a minute. There we go. And let's get some glue. So these are like super quick cards. You can easily, if you wanted to use any of the sticker elements that Love from Lizzie does, where you can add those on for like a little extra shine or bling accent piece, that would work too. Even this out, make sure it's straight. Okay, and there we go. If you watch my other video on my channel, I made 4 cards, so this is like 8 cards super quick. Sometimes we don't always have a ton of time to craft, but we still want to do something, and we do need cards, so you can make some really quick. I'm just centering that, like eyeballing it. Okay. So, one more card after this. I think you guys get the idea that you can make a lot of cards really quick using the same layout, but different ephemera. Or you could even put different sentiments if you don't want to use the same sentiment. But I just went with the birthday wishes because I can always use a birthday card. In our last card, we have the cactus paper. So kind of maybe a little bit more of a southwestern theme on that one. And I used the little cowgirls, you know, and all the different hair colors and styles. But you don't have to. You could choose other ephemera that came in the kit because she does give you a lot. So if you prefer to have something else besides the little cowgirls, you could totally do that. But I really love them. I thought they were super cute. So I really wanted to use them. And I really like the sentiment, the script, and having it popped up on some cardstock. You know, just makes it stand out just a little bit more, which I think looks really good. All right, there's that one. So now we have 4 cards, super quick, and I think they turned out really cute. All right, so I hope you enjoy this. I hope if you haven't seen the Sunshine Rodeo kit, definitely check out the unboxing that's on the channel, and give us a like and give us a subscription, a follow to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of the inspiration. All right, thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.